MySQL with Amazon S3 Cloud Backup is now available on the AWS Marketplace. This solution enables seamless database management, offering daily backups directly to Amazon S3 for enhanced data security and convenience. This is designed to assist you in seamlessly integrating MySQL into your AWS environment through detailed step-by-step instructions. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the MySQL with Amazon S3 Cloud Backup in AWS Marketplace. Click Continue to subscribe. After subscribing, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Accept Terms to proceed. Please wait for a few minutes while the processing takes place. Once it's completed, click Continue to Configuration. Select the CloudFormation template as the fulfillment option and choose your preferred region. Then click Continue to launch. Select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch. Ensure the template is ready is selected. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Set database as SSH location. For deployment name, enter a name of your choice. Choose an instance type, which we recommend T3 small. Select your preferred key name. Enter a name of your choice for the MySQL database. Enter a strong password for MySQL password. Enter a name for the MySQL user. Provide a S3 bucket name. Set SSH location, subnet CIDR block, and VPC CIDR block. Click Next. Choose Stack Failure options and click Next. Review and verify the details you've entered. Tick the checkbox and click Submit. You'll be directed to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the stack has been successfully created. To obtain the IP address, navigate to the Outputs tab and look for Public IP. Open MySQL Workbench and click Set Up New Connection button. Enter a connection name and provide the IP address as the host name. You can access the database via port 3306. Use MySQL user as the username and MySQL password as the password, which were entered during the creation of CloudFormation stack. Experience the full potential of MySQL database with seamless Amazon S3 Cloud Backup integration.